Have you ever found yourself staring at a computer late at night, dreaming about building an online business, but feeling completely overwhelmed? Well, maybe you're exhausted from your 9 to 5, missing important family moments, and knowing deep down there's a better way. I get it. I've been exactly where you are, and today I'm going to show you how you can transform that dream into a reality. Hello, my name is Christy Keeter. I'm a former teacher that helps people succeed outside the classroom, and I've made it my mission to help people just like you create the confidence and the cash in the next 90 days, all while working a simple 2-hour workday. Yes, you heard that right. 2 hours, not 40, not 60, just focused on hours that you can transform and create your freedom that you've been craving for. Let me take you back where it all began. I was a dedicated teacher, pouring my heart into my students, but was also drowning in endless lesson plans and after school commitments and missing my grandkids' precious moments, canceling family dinners, and honestly, burning out fast. One evening, after another 12-hour day, my husband looked at me and said something that changed everything. Honey, please do not re-sign your contract. I just want my wife back. Those words were both terrifying and liberating. That's whenever I looked at my first step into the digital entrepreneurship. And though I had no idea what I was doing at the time, I knew I wanted more than just replacing my teaching income. I wanted the freedom to say yes to impromptu playground visits with my grandkids. I wanted to be able to take care of my family without stress. And I wanted to create a legacy that would bless others and show them what's possible. Then I discovered something that completely transformed my perspective: the power of digital marketing, genuine community building, and smart automation. It wasn't just about selling products online. It was about creating systems that work for you while you're asleep. The moment that I understand that I could leverage digital tools to automate my income, build authentic relationships online, and create a thriving community, everything shifted. I went from working 60 hours a week to designing my ideal schedule. I started making more money in my sleep than I ever did the day I was teaching. But more importantly, I gained back the time and my joy. My transformation wasn't just about leaving burnout behind. It was about discovering a confidence that I never knew I had. I wake up every day excited about knowing that I can help others achieve the same freedom. This channel is your blueprint to building digitally with clarity, with confidence, with consistency. I'm not here to sell you a get rich quick scheme or complicated strategies. Instead, I'm sharing proven, simple steps that anyone can follow, even if you're starting from zero. So here's exactly what you'll discover on this channel: the Confidence to Cash 90-Day Run Series, a step-by-step journey where I will walk you through launching your digital business. We'll cover everything from mindset shifts to tech setups to content creation to client attraction. Each video builds on the last, creating a clear path to your success. Practical tutorials that help with digital tools such as learn how to automate your business processes, create engaging content that converts, and builds a community that becomes your biggest asset. So I'll show you exactly which tools that I use and how to implement them without getting overwhelmed. So the real stories and the proven strategies for creating time freedom and passive income. You'll hear from community members who've gone from zero to consistent income, and I will share the exact framework that I use to get there too. Remember, this journey is about something much more than money. It's about creating the freedom to choose how to spend your days. It's about building something that's meaningful, that continues to grow while you live your life. When you are building digitally, you're not just creating a business, you're creating possibilities for yourself and generations to come. I've seen countless members of the community transform their lives, From the stay-at-home mom to running a six-figure coaching business to the former corporate executive who finally has time for those family dinners each night. Our English-speaking community has grown beyond what I ever imagined that we would grow, with over 55,000 members and strong and growing daily. We've expanded globally with our upcoming Spanish community launch, and because we believe everyone deserves access to those life-changing strategies, we're constantly adding new resources like AI training to help you work smarter, TikTok shop training to help you tap into emerging opportunities. And this is different than any TikTok training that you're going to have. In our community, you'll find people just like you who are supporting each other, celebrating wins, and overcoming challenges together. If you're ready to stop waiting for that perfect time and start building your dream business, now's your moment. You don't want to miss a single day of our 90-day run. Our genuine encouragement and practical resources to help you succeed. Remember, you don't have to figure this out alone. We're here to support you every step of the way. I am Christy Keeter with Building Digitally, and I'm committed to helping you create your online business and the life that you deserve. Let's build your confidence and attract your perfect customer and create that constant cash flow together. Your transformation starts now, and I cannot wait to be a part of your journey.